Ẹ̀yin èèyàn lé èwo lẹ ṣe káàbọ̀ sí Mashola Gist TV. Gist tí a mú wá òní èní ni Alhaji Oriyomi, Hamzat àti Queen Naomi tí wọ́n fi ojú ba ilé ẹjọ́ magistrate ní Agodi nítorí àwọn nǹkan tó ti ṣẹlẹ̀ sẹ́yìn. Ẹ mọ̀ pé wọ́n ti gba bẹ́ẹ̀lì wọn ní High Court. Lẹ́yìn ìyẹn ni wọ́n wá láti ilé, ṣùgbọ́n èní ni wọ́n lọ sí magistrate, and ìdí tí wọ́n fi lọ sí magistrate ni pé wọ́n fẹ́ jẹ́ kí wọ́n withdraw ẹjọ́ magistrate yẹn kúrò, kí ẹjọ́ yẹn kó kúkú wà ní High Court nìkan. Nǹkan tá a gbọ́ nìyẹn. Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ nǹkan tí lọ́ọ̀yà Alhaji Hamzat Oriyomi sọ.
Yes, the matter today was actually stated for mention. Because when they were arraigned, it was on a holding charge, though which is unknown to us. But then they were remanded as a result of that holding charge that was filed initially. But then we have applied to the High Court where bills were granted to the defendants. And consequently, the legal advice is out and the information has been filed against them. So they are yet to be served with that information that has been filed against them. And normally we have come to the court today so that the charge against them here will be withdrawn. But since they've not been charged and their keys have not been taken in the High Court, that is the reason why we prayed for a longer date within which the proper thing has been arraigning them and they taking their plea in the High Court will be done before they will come back here and the charge against them here will be withdrawn. Èní ìyàwó sí ibi nítorí pé nígbà tí wọ́n arraign wọn initially magistrate court ní agbára láti gbọ́ àwọn ẹjọ́ tí wọ́n fi pè wọ́n. Nítorí ìdí yẹn magistrate court ní kí wọ́n rìmáǹdì wọn ni wọ́n fi gbé wọn lọ sí Agodi lọ́jọ́ sí. Ṣùgbọ́n àti wá lọ sí High Court tó lè gbọ́ ẹjọ́ yẹn. High Court dẹ̀ ti fún wọn ní bẹ́ẹ̀lì. Bẹ́ẹ̀lì tí wọ́n fún wọn yẹn ni wọ́n fi bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí enjoy àlàáfíà wọn padà. Ṣùgbọ́n wọn lè máa bá ẹjọ́ méjèèjì lọ lẹ́ẹ̀kan náà nígbà tí ẹjọ́ wà ní High Court tó tún wà níbí. Ohun tí a wá sí kéyìí fún lẹ́yìn ni pé wọ́n withdraw ẹjọ́ tí wọ́n pè wọ́n níbí. Ṣùgbọ́n wọ́n ti file ní High Court, wọn ò tí ì sáàbù wọn ò dẹ̀ tí ì take arraignment wọn ní High Court. Nítorí ìdí ẹ̀ ni a ṣe wá bẹ ilé ẹjọ́ tó kàn fún wa ní ọjọ́ tó jìn díẹ̀ so that a ti padà lọ sí High Court wọ́n á ti take plea wọn lọ́hùn so tá a bá fi máa padà wá sí bí yẹn wọ́n á kọ̀ withdraw charge tó wà against wọn bí.
Èwo nínú àwọn olùpẹ̀jọ́ lẹ̀ ń sojú fún mi?
Olùpẹ̀jọ́ kejì Oriyomi Hamzat wọn ni mo ṣe jẹ́ aṣojú ẹ̀ ní orúkọ ẹ̀ka Dàpọ̀ Akínòsì.
So ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ ti gbọ́ lẹ́nu lọ́ọ̀yà Alhaji Oriyomi. So a mọ ìgbà tí wọ́n tún máa appear ní High Court, ṣùgbọ́n tá a bá ti gbọ́ a máa mú wá fún yín. A dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run fún gbogbo ìfẹ́ tí Ọlọ́run fi hàn Alhaji Oriyomi àti Queen Naomi. A mú ọ̀rọ̀ yìí wá láti iléeṣẹ́ Mashola Gist TV. Kí Ọlọ́run kí ó ràn wá lọ́wọ́. Àmín.